Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the fuses for the radiator fan are located, you have hidden fuses at different locations. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain where you can find them on Ford Edge, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So for the radiator fan, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate guys on this generation Ford Edge right here. If you own a Ford Edge that generation, there will be many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. Now, for the radiator fan fuses, we need to open the hood and we need to work at two different locations. First, we come to the driver's side, that's your car battery, that's the main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs, open the cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now we need to check guys up to two different fuses. You may have one or two here and then we need to go to a different place. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Let's zoom in. Depending on whether you have a towing package or not, okay, you may have two or one fuses, and depending sometimes which engine you have. But the first fuse that you're going to have for sure is fuse number 39. Now, okay, if you have two fuses, you have fuse number 40 as well. And instead of being 60 amp fuse, I think you have two 40 amp fuses. But check 39 and 40. Then you need to guys come under the hood again. But instead of that fuse box here, on your car battery, on the positive terminal, we have that cover. If you guys remove that cover, you're going to find a fuse box here, hidden one. On top you have up to two fuses, 200 and 120 amp, that's not the ones that we need. But underneath on some models you may have more fuses. That's the top view of the 200 and 120, but on the bottom you have up to 4 fuses. Sometimes those can be for radiator cooling fans as well. Make sure you check them on Ford Edge too. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.